Welcome to this comprehensive guide on Trading 212 versus Etoro, where we will explore the key differences between these two popular online trading platforms. As a trader, choosing the right platform is crucial for your success. And in this tutorial, we will break down the features, fees, and benefits of each platform to help you make an informed decision. First, let's start with Trading 212, a UK-based platform that offers commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and other financial instruments. Trading 212 is known for its user-friendly interface, low fees, and wide range of available assets. The platform also offers a demo account, allowing you to practice trading with virtual funds before risking your own money. On the other hand, Etoro is a global platform that offers a wide range of assets, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Etoro is known for its social trading features, which allow you to connect with other traders, share ideas, and learn from their experiences. The platform also offers a copy trading feature, which allows you to automatically replicate the trades of successful traders. When it comes to fees, Trading 212 offers commission-free trading on most assets, while Etoro charges a small commission on each trade. However, Etoro's fees are still relatively low compared to other platforms in terms of spreads. Trading 212 offers tight spreads on most assets, while Etoro's spreads are slightly wider. In terms of regulation, both platforms are regulated by reputable authorities, including the Financial Conduct Authority in the UK and the Securities and Exchange Commission in the US. This ensures that your funds are safe and secure, and that the platforms operate in a transparent and fair manner. So, which platform should you choose? If you are a beginner trader looking for a user-friendly interface and low fees, Trading 212 may be the better choice. However, if you are looking for a platform with a strong social trading feature and a wide range of available assets, Etoro may be the better choice. Ultimately, the choice between Trading 212 and Etoro depends on your individual needs and preferences. We recommend that you try out both platforms, read reviews, and talk to other traders before making a decision. By doing your research and choosing the right platform, you can set yourself up for success in the world of online trading.